Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today we are going to learn how to rationalize the denominator. For example, let's suppose we have this question 1 over square root of 2. If you read the statement carefully, rationalize the denominator means in the denominator I am having an irrational number. I need to rationalize it. That means I want to remove this square root. If I would say denominator should not contain any square root, that's what I need to do. So for that, easiest step what I can follow is 1 over square root 2 if I am having, just multiply it with square root of 2 over square root of 2. What will happen now? Both numerators will be multiplied with each other. Square root of 2 multiplied with 1 makes square root of 2 only. But this square root of 2, when multiplied with square root of 2, it will make only 2. Now, few of you might get confusion. It is just making a square, right? Square root of 2 multiplied with square root of 2. This is square root of 2 square. So, we know the concept. This square root and square both nullifies their impact. You get only 2 as an answer. So do remember this concept, and this is very easy. We are taking more examples now. Let's suppose we have 1 over root 5. I hope you are clear now how to rationalize it. Just multiply it with square root of 5 over square root of 5, and we are going to get this answer. One question I'm giving for you to try. Let's suppose 1 over root 7 times what to do, that you need to decide and rationalize it and tell me what the final answer would be for this particular question. And let's move to next type now. Next type, let's suppose you have 1 over 2 root 3. See, I'm not, just first example we did when only one square root value was there in the denominator. Now we are keeping 2 root 3, 3 root 5, 3 root 7, the next step of it. See, there are two ways of doing it. After understanding first concept, usually what everybody will do, they will say, okay, multiply it with 2 root 3 over 2 root 3. This is what comes in the mind, and this is not wrong, this is correct. And what will be the answer? Numerators will be multiplied with each other. While multiplying the denominator, what will happen? This 2 will be multiplied with 2. Do remember, 2 multiplied 2 is 4. Root 3 will be multiplied with root 3, which makes 3 only. And your answer will be, see, this 2 and 4 you can cancel, and your answer will be root 3 over 6. Your answer will be square root of 3 over 6. This is correct, but there is one more way of doing it, which will reduce the calculation. Let's suppose you get 1 over 2 root 3. Your ultimate aim is to remove this square root, right? So what we will do, just multiply by root 3 over root 3. This multiplication just do, root 3 times 1 is root 3. In the denominator, this 2 as it is, when root 3 is multiplied with root 3, it will become 3. And your final answer will be square root of 3 upon 6. I hope this is making sense. Okay, I'm giving one question for you all to try. Let's suppose you get this question and you need to rationalize it. You please try it out and get your final answer. See, this is the first video of rationalizing the denominator. Two types we have covered here, but this is not the end. There are multiple types of rationalization which we will be covering in our upcoming videos. So keep watching our videos. Thank you so much.